In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Google Chrome, step by step, so you can save your card details for quicker checkout later. This is really useful if you shop online often and want Chrome to autofill your payment information when you're ready to pay. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you usually launch the browser. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots, which is the main menu button. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open Chrome's Settings page where you can manage everything from passwords to autofill and payment options. On the left side of the Settings page, find and click Autofill and Passwords. This section controls the information Chrome can store for faster form filling, including addresses, passwords, and payment details. Next, click on Payments. This is where Chrome keeps saved payment methods and card information. If you've never added a card before, this area may look empty, and that's completely normal. Now, look for the Add button next to the Payment Methods section and click it. A new form will appear, and this is where you'll enter your payment details. Carefully type in your cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card. Then enter your card number, expiration date, and billing address. Make sure every detail is correct, because even a small mistake could cause problems when Chrome tries to autofill your payment info later. Take your time here and double-check everything before moving on. Once all the information is filled out, click Save. Chrome will store the payment method, and from this point on, it can be used for faster checkout on supported websites when autofill is enabled. And that's it. You've now added a payment method on Google Chrome. The process only takes a minute, but it can save you time every time you shop online. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.